Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Pink Vanity is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour and functionality to their personal space, especially for makeup enthusiasts and beauty lovers. This iconic item serves not just as a practical surface for organizing cosmetics and beauty tools but also as a statement piece that can elevate the aesthetic of any bedroom or dressing area, making the daily routine of getting ready feel like a luxurious experience. Its presence can transform a simple room into a personalized sanctuary where one can indulge in self-care and creative expression. Number 5. Play 22 Pretend Playgirls Vanity Set with Mirror and Stool. Discover the Play 22 Pretend Playgirls Vanity Set, a magical world for your little one. It's designed for children aged 3 and up, sparking creativity and fun. This set comes complete with a working blow dryer, pretend makeup, and accessories. It includes everything needed for a realistic and engaging play experience. With mix and match rings, bracelets, and pretend makeup, your child can enjoy hours of imaginative fun. The realistic accessories make playtime truly special. The blow dryer provides safe, non-heated air for hairstyling adventures. It's designed with safety in mind for worry-free play. Fulfill every little girl's dream with this beautiful vanity set. It's the ideal gift for birthdays and holidays, perfect for pretend play and dress-up parties. Watch as the mirror lights up and plays sounds, adding an extra layer of excitement. This set meets all USA safety requirements for peace of mind. What we like? This set comes with a working blow dryer and fun lights and sounds. If you're looking for a complete pretend play experience with lots of accessories, this is the one. It's perfect for imaginative play and role-playing scenarios. What people say? Easy to assemble and my granddaughter loved it. A year later and it's still in great shape, so it's pretty durable. It plays sounds. The chair isn't very sturdy but it does the job. It's the perfect size and so far she loves it. It's not heavy plastic, so if they pull it over on them, it won't hurt them. It's a nice bright pink, which makes it fun, and it has the sound effects when you push the button on the mirror. It's easy to clean, which makes it convenient and makes it perfect for any gift. Number 4. Teamson Kids Gisele Collection Vanity Set. Introducing the Gisele Collection Vanity Set, a charming addition to your child's room. It's designed to inspire imaginative play and make getting ready an adventure. This vanity features a delightful 3-section mirror and a playful polka dot print. It's the perfect spot for your little one to admire their reflection. Keep their essentials organized with the built-in storage drawer. It's ideal for stashing away makeup, accessories, or any precious treasures. Crafted from durable wood and acrylic, this set is built for long-lasting fun. The easy-to-clean surfaces ensure it stays looking its best with minimal effort. With a solid wood frame, both the vanity table and chair are incredibly sturdy and safe for your child. They can play with confidence. Designed with your child in mind, its dimensions are ideal for most bedrooms or play areas. It's recommended for ages 3 and up. What we like? It features a unique 3-section mirror and a convenient storage drawer. If you want a stylish and sturdy vanity that allows your child to check their reflection from multiple angles, consider this option. It's great for adding a touch of elegance to a bedroom. What people say? It was a pretty vanity set. This child's vanity is heavy and oh so pretty. The assembly was easy but it comes completely dismantled. The drill is only if you have one. I found doing it manual was just as good. This vanity set fit perfectly in my girl's bedroom. They were super excited about it. There were no parts missing, everything came as expected, it was in great condition and there were no scratches and perfect for my daughter. They are aged 3 and 4 years old. I definitely recommend getting this if you have little girls under the age of 3 to 6 years old. Number 3. Costzon Kids Wooden Vanity Table and Stool Set, Pink. Every girl dreams of having her own special place for makeup and accessories. This child-sized vanity set is the perfect gift to make that dream a reality. Crafted from sturdy MDF, this furniture is built to last through countless hours of imaginative play. It's designed just for them, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. The 2 side mirrors can spin 180 degrees, allowing your child to find the perfect angle. The central mirror provides a clear, large view for dressing up and pretend play. With a spacious tabletop and a large central drawer, there's plenty of room to store beloved accessories, jewelry, and cosmetics. It's perfect for keeping their treasures organized. This versatile piece easily transforms. The top detaches, allowing it to be used as a writing desk when needed. It's a functional addition to any child's room. Its elegant, clean line design brings a fresh and natural feel to any room. The stylish curved legs provide stable support for both the table and stool. What we like. This vanity offers a unique detachable design, transforming into a writing desk. If you need a versatile piece of furniture that can serve as both a vanity and a study desk, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy both imaginative play and creative activities. What people say. Assembly took no time at all, and it's surprisingly sturdy once put together. The mirror is clear, the materials feel durable, and the little drawers and tabletop space are perfect for storing accessories and play makeup. It was very easy to put together, excellent quality. And I love the different light options. It's very spacious. The light settings are a really nice touch. She changes the tones all the time depending on her mood. It's beautiful, sturdy, and super practical for pretend play. Number 2. Costzon Kids Vanity Set with Trifolding Mirror. Every little girl dreams of being a princess. This beautiful vanity set is designed to make that dream a reality, bringing a touch of magic to their playtime. Crafted from durable MDF with solid pine wood legs, this set is built for stability and longevity. It's sturdy enough to withstand hours of imaginative play. The high-definition trifolding mirror allows for a clear reflection from all directions. Plus, the detachable top means it can easily transform into a handy desk for drawing or reading. Keep their favorite accessories organized with a spacious tabletop and a large built-in drawer. Everything from hair clips to nail polish can be neatly stored away after playtime. Designed with safety in mind, it features non-toxic, odorless paint, rounded corners, and a burr-free surface. An anti-tipping design provides extra security for children aged 3 and up. Looking for a special birthday or Christmas gift? This charming vanity set is sure to delight any little girl and become her favorite spot for imaginative play. What we like. It boasts a trifolding mirror for all-around viewing and an anti-tipping safety feature. If safety and comprehensive reflection are your top priorities, this vanity is a great pick. It's designed for peace of mind and a complete dressing-up experience. What people say. Great stability and easy assembly. It's sturdy and well-made. Super easy to put together. It's been 3 months and as much as she uses it so far no scratches and it's been easy to wipe down. She loves the little drawer where she puts all of her chapsticks and her brush. Super cute and perfect for my 4-year-old. Easy to assemble and love that the mirror can be taken down and used as a desk. Number 1. WESTREE Women Makeup Vanity Desk with Monitor Stand. Introducing the WESTREE Makeup Vanity Desk, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your personal space. Its elegant design complements any room, making it a versatile addition to your home. This desk is designed to fit seamlessly into various home styles, whether it's your bedroom, study, or office. Its adaptable nature ensures it complements your existing decor effortlessly. It features a removable monitor stand, offering flexibility in how you use it. This elevated shelf is perfect for your monitor, laptop, or even a mirror, enhancing your workspace. Stay organized with 2 spacious drawers that provide ample storage for your essentials. The expansive desktop keeps your items tidy and within reach, offering a clutter-free experience. Setting up your new desk is a breeze with our clear instructions and installation video. Plus, our 24-hour online customer service is always ready to assist you with any questions. This vanity desk makes a wonderful gift for her, combining practicality with a touch of elegance. It's a thoughtful present that she'll surely appreciate and use every day. What we like. This desk includes a removable monitor stand and ample storage with 2 drawers. If you need a multifunctional desk that can adapt to different uses, like a computer desk or a makeup station, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who value organization and versatility. What people say. This vanity is a great size for my small bedroom, and the drawers are surprisingly deep. The LED lighting is bright and adjustable, making it perfect for makeup application. Assembly was straightforward, and all the parts were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.